Hi there, Tom here, Fel's Feast. Today we're making fish pie. We're doing filming a little bit differently today. Let me know down below what you think in the comments. Whilst you're there, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, you're going to need to hit that notification bell to turn on the notifications.
Want to ring the bell?
All right. Ding, ding.
Right then, potatoes. Peel them. Cut them. Stick them in a pan. Stick that on the stove. In the other pan, you're going to want to put some milk. If you run out of milk, then you're going to want to get another bottle. There we go. Add a bay leaf, or two. Bit of pepper. Give that a little mix. Right then, fish. You can use what you like. Cod, haddock or salmon works best. I've got 3 bits of cod, 2 smoked, 1 not. That finger, bottom left of the shot, belongs to my son. He was saying he wants a bit of that for his tea. I said, good, you're having a bit of that for your tea. Once the milk's just below a simmer, whack in your fish. So, as you can see, I'm demonstrating that the milk definitely isn't boiling, because I'm sticking my fingers in it. So we just want it just below a simmer. And the fish will be in there for about 7 or 8 minutes. As you can see, the milk's just bubbling around the edges, just how we want it. And I'm just gonna give the fish a poke. Right, lovely. That's it, move that bay leaf just over there, because that will make all the difference. And don't forget to turn your attention to the potatoes. They're boiling now. Tilt the lid, turn the temperature down just a smidge. As we can see, that fish is nicely cooked now. Time to get it out. Could say we're going to go fishing. Oopsie. There we go. Take out the fish and stick it to one side on a plate in a bowl. Very important thing, don't throw away the milk, because now we've got fishy milk, which sounds absolutely disgusting. But believe me, fishy milk is just what we want. It. Make sure you get every last little bit of fish. Get rid of the bay leaf. And you. Thank you. Right then, time to make the sauce. I like to use this pan because it has a handle and a spout. All the better for pouring with. Put in some butter. Actually, it's margarine. Then if you're like me and you start to panic that you haven't got enough food for the family, you put in more. Right then, chuck in some flour and a bit more, about 2 heaped tablespoons. Mix it up with a whisk until you get this sort of mixture, commonly known as a roux. Try and let that cook for a bit. It's important to try and let the flour cook. Once that's cooked for 30 seconds, we're going to add some of our fishy milk. There we go, fishy milk. Try not to make a mess. Once you stir it, it will thicken again. And repeat the process. Fishy milk. And some more fishy milk. Lovely. So continue to add the fishy milk until you get the consistency that you want. And again, don't forget to occasionally turn your attention to the potatoes. Give them a poke. Yeah, they look ready. Let's take those off. Drain them. Put them back. Back on the sauce. That's looking good to me. Bit more fishy milk. Perfect. I'd just like to point out, at this point you can go either one of two ways. You can either put parsley in, or you can put cheese. Now traditionally you would put parsley in, but because I want my children to eat this for tea, and I know they won't eat anything which has green things in it, so as you can guess, I'm going for cheese. Lots of cheese. And mix. Pinch of salt. This is how we can tell it's right. Just like that. Tastes good too.
Houston, we have a problem.
Okay, so I made a monumental mistake, a technical error if you will. Right, this is me lining up my pie dish, getting it in the perfect position for the perfect shot. Although, slight problem is, I'm not supposed to be recording this bit, am I? So, when I come to press record, I don't actually press record, do I? I stop it recording. So I managed to mash the potato and assemble the whole pie without recording it. And unfortunately, I don't have any budget, so I can't buy the ingredients again. So, I'm really sorry. But this is what it looked like once I'd finished. Basically, I put in a layer of the fish, I broke it all up, mixed it around, and then I put the sauce on top of the fish, and then I put the mashed potato on top of the sauce, and then I topped that with cheese, and I put it in the oven. And I put it in the oven for 25 minutes, and now it's like this. Looks good. I'm just going to spoon some onto a plate. There we go. Because I was unable to have parsley in it, I'll sprinkle some on the top. There you have it. Lovely homemade fish pie. And it tastes good too.